Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this video, we will delve into the common charging port issues faced by Lenovo Legion 5 users and how to address them effectively. First, let's gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious as there are several screws to take out, and it's essential to keep them organized. Once the back panel is off, you'll want to inspect the charging port area closely. Look for any signs of damage or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use the isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean the area gently. This can often resolve connectivity issues without further intervention. If the port appears damaged, you may need to replace it. To do this, carefully disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical hazards. Then locate the charging port on the motherboard. It's usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and gently lift the port out. Before installing a new charging port, ensure that the area is clean and free from any obstructions. If you're unsure about this process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assess the issue and provide you with a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Once you have your new charging port, align it with the motherboard and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery and replace the back panel, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Now it's time to test the charging port. Plug in your charger and see if the laptop begins to charge. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully resolved the issue. If not, it may be time to consider further assistance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide you with an estimate based on the diagnosis. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in addressing your Lenovo Legion 5 charging port issues. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.